Hello everyone, it's Lindsay, and today I have another unboxing video for you guys, and I am unboxing the Brie Kit from Felicity Jane. This is the kit for the month of May, and so some of you know I have dove into this world of memory documenting in a traveler's notebook, and a way to document photos and things and journaling in a little insert here. So I have gone ahead and I have actually subscribed to the Felicity Jane monthly kits. So now they're going to come to me monthly. So you will be seeing these unboxings on my channel every month. However, before I dive into this one, it does look like they are moving their office. So there's not going to be a monthly kit for June or July, I believe. So just heads up there. I will probably be showing some other products and things in place of that. But let's dive in and look at this kit. So this is the Brie kit and everything that comes in it. Now, what I did that you'll notice different is it does come with 12 by 12 papers, but I went ahead and right off the bat cut mine down. So I cut mine down to I think 4 1/16 by 8 1/4, and that is what fits in my notebook here and leaves a little bit of a gap in the center so that there's no issues when closing it. So you can see it does leave a little bit of a gap, but that makes it so the pages close a little better. So I have found that I am more likely to use these papers and they're a little bit easier for me to use if they're already cut down. So I went ahead and cut down all the 12 by 12s into these. Now they are double-sided papers. So the nice thing is with cutting them down this way is I get, you can see one page of each side. So like this is the 12 by 12, and so then now I have one each of each print. So here's a look at those prints that come in the kit. The colors are so cute. I just love the colors of all of the Felicity Jane kits. So fun. So what you're seeing is fronts and backs of these 12 by 12 papers. This one's super fun. You could cut this so that it's either horizontal little pieces or vertical. I cut them vertical, and you can see it's all different colors and patterns from within the kit in those little strips like that. There's an ombre pink grid, and it has a black and white stripe on the back. This one I did a little different. So this is a bunch of different hearts, but on the back of the paper were frames. So I went ahead and so I cut one piece to fit in my traveler's notebook, and then I left the rest of it whole so that I could fussy cut out these frames to use in my journaling. So this is the only one that I cut a little bit different, but here are the other. There are 2 sheets of solid color that have this little scallop border. So one ends up being a solid, one has the scallop. And again, you can cut that either so that the scallop is at the top or bottom or at the side. I did the side. So there's a look at them all cut down. And then what I end up with is a stack of pieces here. These can be cut down into 3 by 4 for matting behind photos or doing pocket pages if that's your thing. I usually use them to mat my photos. And then I also have some leftover bit here that I can use. I leave it whole like this in case I want to cut tags out of it or alphas or something like that. So you do have quite a bit of paper, but I found that if I go ahead and cut it down all at once, it's much easier for me to use. So there is a look at the 12 by 12s that you get. And then look at all the fun goodness. And it's so neat to see how each kit is a little bit different, not only with the colors and style, but the type of products that are in there. So let's take a look. You get these layering butterflies. These are super cute. So these look like a mix of vellum and pattern paper, pattern cardstock that has been sewn down the center. So you have these little like 3-dimensional butterflies. How pretty is that? And there's all different sizes in there. It looks like the smaller ones, the vellum pieces are separate, so you could go ahead and do the sewing yourself or leave them separate. So cute. I love those. Of course, in a traveler's notebook, they're going to get kind of smushed, but that's okay. Those are super cute. You've got these fabric flags. Now I have actually used these in my Bible journaling before. I've made these before out of fabric, so that is super fun. And they're these little pieces of fabric with grommets through them. and they're a good sturdy like canvas type material with the prints found throughout the kit. So cute. Love that. I love all the different textures. Okay, here are some chipboard flair. Let's take a look. And the packaging, like everything is packaged so nicely. It makes it easy to store when it's packaged like this because you can just store things in the original packaging. You don't have to have different storage methods for things like this. Oh, these are so cute. Okay, so it's all these little chipboard flair circle pieces, and there are tons and tons of them. How cute. Lots of ampersands and words. Looks like you have multiples, like black and white of each one. Right here, the stories, some little butterflies, polka dots, grid. These are so fun, and they are chipboard, so there is some dimension to them, but it's not too bad. So you could use these in Bible journaling if you wanted to, but like I said, I will be mostly using these in that traveler's notebook. So there's all those, and they come in this really nice little envelope here that you can store them in. And I like that they're neutral black and white, or it's like a cream, so that you can use them with other past kits or other kits from other companies. So there's that. You get 2 sets of alphas this month. You get a gold and a black puffy alphabet. And these are a different font than last month, as you can see there. So you get numbers and punctuation and little asterisks. Those are super cute. So fun. Okay, and then you get the die cut shapes. Take a look at these here. And this is where you get a little glimpse into the girl. So each month, you'll notice the kits are a girl's name. And so there is a little girl for each kit. So here is Brie with her little pocket dress and messy bun. So cute. And then these are not, well, no, they are more white, I think, than last month's. They do have kind of a antique white rather than a stark white, I think. And so there's all these really nice quality die cut pieces. Look how cute this little pom-pom banner is. And you've got speech bubbles and tags. How cute. Oh, look, a bigger version of that pom-pom. And then the really pretty florals that you saw in that paper. Some triangles and hearts, more florals. This piece says, without change, there would be no butterflies. Some labels, a little potted plant, a little bow, so cute. And there was a pattern paper that was all these little bows. So there are all the die cut pieces that you get. And then you get puffy stickers. So these are white puffy stickers. I imagine you could probably color these with Faber-Castell brush markers, since these do dry permanent. I have found it's a little bit hard to color on the slick surface, but you can kind of experiment with that and see what we can get on there. Another fun thing would be maybe to add some Nuvo crystal drops onto them. To add a little punch of color and some texture. So you've got some frames and then some word pieces, and these are a dimensional puffy sticker. Super cute. You've got the package of 3x4 cards. So in addition to all the papers, you've got these already cut down for you for either journaling or layering behind photos. If you are a pocket page type person, you can use these for that. And the back is just grid and dot grid, so they're pretty plain on the back, so you don't have to feel like you've got to choose between which pattern to use. These make great little places to journal little details. So cute. I like this with the, looks like it has washi tape at the top there. So fun. Really pretty spring colors there. So you've got all those 3x4 cards. You get the stamp set. So you've got some words in different fonts, and then you've got these big like paint swatches. And so these would be fun to even stamp maybe with Neocolor 2 crayons. I have some videos on my channel where I show how I do that. That way you get a little more texture to it than just stamping with a colored ink. That way it doesn't look like a stamp, it'll actually look like a paint swatch. Let's see, one step at a time, beautiful you, spread your wings and fly, enough, Brie, dream big, brave, worth it. And then there's a little heart, little butterflies. This little piece would be fun to do your like stamp your journaling lines with this. This little dotted piece. You could use these as layering behind different elements in the kit and things like that. So cute. These would be fun to heat emboss and cut out. Lots of things that you can do with this stamp set. And then you've got the little note from the creator, Felicity Jane, and of course on the back, it is a card that you could go ahead and use in your journaling. So there is a look at everything that comes in the kit. And then I also did save the branding strips when I cut down the papers, so I do use those as little layering bits when I create, because there's even detail in the branding strips. So tons and tons of content that is included in these kits. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave those down below. I'm going to go ahead and leave a link in the description box. It is an affiliate link for Andrea. She's Retro Hip Mama. She's the one that kind of inspired me to jump in and start ordering these kits, so it is her affiliate link, just heads up. And you can head on over and you can pick up past kits or still be able to pick up this kit. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. And until next time, thank you so much. Bye-bye.